This is my home. This is my family. And me, Anupam Food Waste Disposer. I am installed under the kitchen sink. I crush the food waste and help make kitchen clean up fast. I'm responsible for a tidy and clean kitchen. It's hard to believe, but not so long ago, our kitchen had such nasty smells and harmful bacteria. We used to put food leftovers in the waste bin, a perfect spot for growing microbes and insects. Yuck! But I came to rescue my family. My task is simple. I grind up food waste and send it down the drain. Food waste no longer goes to the bin to produce harmful bugs and unpleasant smells. I'm simple, efficient, and safe to operate. Turn on the water, press the button, and I make the leftovers disappear. This complete process is eco-friendly, and don't worry, your fingers are completely safe here. I don't have knives or sharp edges. The grinding plate base is deep under the sink bowl to crush waste. I come from India's trusted and leading manufacturers in the kitchen industry. I am a space saver and noiseless, and I'll work many years for you like a superhero. I'll help you keep the kitchen safe from bacteria and unpleasant smells. Are you ready? Then look for me at www.anupamworld.com. Anupam Shaping Lifestyle.